More than 100 miles southeast of Cebu is a pear-shaped volcanic island
measuring just a little over 29,000 hectares. The island, located in northern Mindanao, is visited by more than 500,000 tourists each year for its natural wonders. Best known for its pristine beaches and relaxing springs, the island is host to 7 volcanoes. Hi, I'm Bart Borja, and I'm here in Camiguin Island, my destination.
The name Camiguin is derived from the word camagong, a species of the ebony tree that thrives in the province of Surigao del Norte. Early inhabitants of Camiguin were the Manobos of Surigao, but apart from the name, inspired by a tree in Mindanao, it is said that the Camiguin culture is influenced by a mixture of Boholano and Cebuano, as many residents trace their roots to Cebu and Bohol. Today, a tour of the island in my destination. Hi, I'm Rosemary Halganza Baromeo. Join us.
The Filipino culture values closely knit family ties, but it has come to a point where more than 50% of Filipino parents rely too much on their children and other relatives to support them in their old age. To create a paradigm shift in the minds of Filipinos, Kaiser International Health Group has come up with a product that answers the need for financial independence of people faced with feelings of helplessness during their retirement years when they most need medical attention and support. While most HMOs cater to group and individual accounts, Kaiser addresses the long-term healthcare needs of individuals. This is how it works. Kaiser provides a second layer of HMO coverage that gives members the option to use it or not. If a member decides not to use his coverage, in the long run, he will be rewarded for staying healthy and he will be well on his way to a more secure and comfortable elderly life. It's pretty simple. No worries. Kaiser International Health Group has you covered. Kaiser International Health Group, doing its share to move the Philippines into economic recovery and independence. For inquiries, call these numbers.
Next to Batanes, Camiguin, the island formed through earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, is the second smallest province in the Philippines.
Hi! Welcome to the province of Camiguin. Camiguin means come again.
With a current population nearing 100,000 people, Camiguin Island is located in Bohol Sea. Although the island is part of northern Mindanao, its proximity to both the Visayas and Mindanao regions explains the medley of languages spoken in Camiguin. While Cebuano and Hiligaynon are widely spoken in the province, in the towns of Sagay and Ginsiliban, a few still speak Kinamiguin, the ancient tribal language derived from the Manobo dialect. I decided to explore the countryside to enjoy the island's beautiful sceneries and befriend locals. Meet my first Camiginan friend for the day, Keen, a guide from the Provincial Tourism Office. Here, he explains 7 volcanoes sit on the island. The most known is Mount Hibok-Hibok, famous for a deadly eruption in 1951. At the foot of Mount Hibok-Hibok is a hot spring. Heated by the volcano, ardent hot spring in Mambahao reaches a soothing 40 degrees Celsius. There are many places like this in Camiguin where beautiful clear streams of water plunge into a pool for people to swim or bath. We're here in Katibawasan Falls, and it's one of the natural wonders you'll find here in the island of Camiguin. It's approximately 250 meters high, and the water is coming from a spring up in the mountains, and it's cold. Katibawasan Falls sits at the foot of Mount Timpoong, Camiguin's tallest volcano. The steep rising volcanoes are a trekker's challenge, but as you trek, beautiful scenery and fresh air more than make up for the trouble. A great escape from the busy life and hustle of the city.
Away from the bustle, fresh air and a beautiful scenery. Nothing beats the view from up here. Camiguin's 700-meter, 3-lane zip line that crosses over Taguines Lagoon and overlooks the coast of Binoni. From the top, a sweeping glimpse of Mantigi Island, a 4-hectare stretch of greenery fringed with a gleaming white coral beach that has become a diver's paradise. Later, a short boat ride, and we're in a sandbar called White Island, another tiny floating piece of paradise. Shaped like a letter C, the strip of white sand just 1 kilometer offshore is surrounded by a colorful reef on one side and a thick forest on the other. The White Island Sandbar is a popular picnic site for locals and tourists.
Oh, it's so nice. I eat a lot of seafood. That's my favourite. Escabeche.
Escabeche,
That's my absolute favourite. Yeah. Kinilaw and escabeche. I can eat those all day.
And with us are the boatman and the lifeguard here in this island. Dugay na ka mo dito?
Dugay na ka sir.
Under ka mo sa government
Sa LGU sir ang nag-organize ano sir.
So, kamusta ang ano di?
Ay, safety ang
Sitwasyon?
okay,
Okay
sir.
lang?
Safety ang atong mga guest dire sir nga maligo sir.
Nay oras di maligo?
5 to 5:30 ng hapon.
5:30. So 5:30 sa hapon, di mo
Close na,
close na.
Close na.
Bisag may bangka mo nga di nyo na
Dili.
tugtan. Nay sentro diya para sa mga boating, sa mga boats, mga para
Right terminal kita mo sir. 450 sir.
round trip.
450.
So standard na 6 lang maximum.
6 lang.
6 passenger lang sir.
6 passengers, 450 na na.
450.
So,
Kasi
unsa
natin.
nga buwan ng daghan?
Pinakabibo kita sir. April to May mo'y pinakabibo kita.
Ang mga turista, mga foreigner, unsa nga buwan mo?
Ano sila Ugos padung sa December sir.
Kung ano na, tugnaw na.
Oh, tugnaw sa dito na kuan po summer man dito ay kaning bakasyon man sa ila. Wala may klase sa Ugos.
Di karon sa daw sir. Sugo na po ni dagan po rin na patabot karon.
Kung may mag-inom, malasing, ginaanuhan nyo.
Okay na sir.
Okay lang, basta hindi lang magsamok, no?
Oh, di lang.
Okay ra ang bisita, mahubog.
Okay.
Ginom sila pero
Sa control lang.
oh,
Pero dili mapusin yung mga dali reklamo bug sir kay kung makaligo ka sa tubig murag balik mo ka presko murag
Oo.
makuha mo lawas ba. Balik mo energy ba.
Okay. So,
Enjoy kayo.
thank you, Dong. Thank you
Okay.
kayo, ha? Ha? Kung sa oras ka open day, day?
Alas 5.
Alas 5?
Ulit kami alas 5.
Alas 5, 5 to 5 ka.
5.
So karon dagan turista gangan ni o dili pa peak season pero
Kuan na, Holy Week na sir ang
Holy Week.
Oh.
Holy Week ang second
daghan.
tawag. Mapuno ni island, puno.
awas na ba sir? Mawas.
Pero magdako po ni siya sir ang island, inig Holy Week.
Padako, ipadaghay.
We asked our guide Keen to take us to the Kabuan Community Village Marine Sanctuary to see giant clams up close. You can see at my back is the clam sanctuary. They have been breeding these giant clams and they have just started. Now they have 500 pieces of giant clams in this area. This area right now is Marine Sanctuary devoted in growing these giant clams.
The sanctuary, located in the town of Ginsiliban, is one of 31 marine protected areas in Camiguin. This virtually makes the whole island a protected area and a top dive site in the Philippines.
Because there are so much more things to see in Camiguin, we visited the old ruins in Giob Church and the sunken cemetery in the old town of Catarman. The two are vestiges of a volcano eruption.
The volcanic birth of Mount Vulcan that lasted from 1871 to about 1875, submerged the old town of Catarman, leaving behind the ruins of its church and a bell tower. The volcanic eruption also sank the town's cemetery below sea level. The place is now marked by a huge cross, erected in 1982. The old church ruins and the sunken cemetery in Catarman, clear reminders of the power of nature, are must-see places in the island of Camiguin. In modern history, Mount Tibuquibok constantly rumbled and smoked from 1948 until it finally erupted on December 4, 1951.
For the third time in 4 years, Mount Hibo-Hibo on Campaign Island in the Philippines is in violent eruption. Vast rivers of lava stream down the side of the volcano, engulfing all in its path.
19 square kilometers of land, particularly in the town of Mambahaw, were destroyed. When we come back, a check on present-day Mambahaw, now Camiguin's bustling economic center.
Aside from the scenic spots, it's really the people.
How money works. When it comes to finances, how much do you know? If you're like most people, you probably know little about personal finance. Perhaps you think long-term security is impossible on your income. But the truth is, no matter what your income level, you can achieve financial security. You just take the time to learn a few simple principles about how money works. Financial education is for everyone. IMG is about education. We believe that there are no secrets to financial security. And financial education isn't just for wealthy. IMG's goal is to educate hardworking families, just like you, on simple concepts that can change your financial future forever. Do you know when you need life insurance the most? How about saving for retirement? Do you know how much something really costs when you put it on your credit card? Taking a few moments to learn some simple concepts about how money works can save you from financial headaches later.
My lenses have a sunset mode, and an early morning mode, and a partly sunny mode, and an outside to clear inside mode.
New Transition Signature adaptive lenses now have Chromia 7 technology, making them more responsive than ever to changing light. So life can look more vivid and vibrant. Why settle for a lens with just one mode? Experience life well lit. Upgrade your lenses to New Transition Signature.
They say the secret of being wealthy is learning how to save, no matter how small or minimal they may be. In the long run, it can be worth a fortune. Don't know how? Worry not. Here's some tips to help you save up.
Sunlight outside.
many times have you been tempted to buy those expensive magazines because of its cover and end up disappointed by their lack of substance? Why not read them in a library, or better yet, online, as most mags now offer their contents for free on the net. But if you can't resist the urge to get hold of your favorite must-read glossies, you better subscribe. Subscriptions offer substantial savings over the cost at the newsstand. Another money-saving tip brought to you by IMG, International Marketing Group.
The Filipino culture values closely knit family ties, but it has come to a point where more than 50% of Filipino parents rely too much on their children and other relatives to support them in their old age. To create a paradigm shift in the minds of Filipinos, Kaiser International Health Group has come up with a product that answers the need for financial independence of people faced with feelings of helplessness during their retirement years when they most need medical attention and support. While most HMOs cater to group and individual accounts, Kaiser addresses the long-term healthcare needs of individuals. This is how it works. Kaiser provides a second layer of HMO coverage that gives members the option to use it or not. If a member decides not to use his coverage, in the long run, he will be rewarded for staying healthy and he will be well on his way to a more secure and comfortable elderly life. It's pretty simple. No worries. Kaiser International Health Group has you covered. Kaiser International Health Group, doing its share to move the Philippines into economic recovery and independence. For inquiries, call these numbers.
My destination is here in the Municipal Hall of Mambahao, Camiguin Island. And with us, Mayor Maria Luisa Romualdo. Hello, ma'am. Right now for the tourists that come out to Camiguin, will there be something like, will you control the prices of the lodging, the things, the resorts here in Mambahao?
No. It's we all of us have agreed. We have a CTA, Camiguin Tourism Association. It's an association of all the owners, etc. We agreed on the price. We are even encouraging them to give discounts. For Arden Tibok Spring Resort, it is managed and owned by the local government unit of Mambahao. We give discounts anytime. Our prices do not compete, the prices of the rooms do not compete with the rest, because for Mambahao, I am very, very much proud to say that when we went to London last year for the World Travel Mart, the White Island was the one featured. Wow. You can see really the beauty of the White Island. And I would encourage everybody, all the tourists, to come. On the part of the municipality, we have been trying our very, very best to give you a very clean water, very clean sand, very clean place in White Island. You will really enjoy the water. You can even swim with the turtles there. So aside from the White Island, of course, you can go to our majestic Katibawasan Falls. Let me give you a little information. In Mambahao, there's a mountain there, it's called Itum. And the provincial government recently opened the Nightscape. A Nightscape, it's an activity center where you can go stargazing. Aside from the scenic spots, it's really the people.
Oh, yes.
It's really the people, beautiful, very hospitable, very friendly.
The foreigners really feel safe, they feel comfortable in this.
Even if you're a foreigner, they meet you 1 minute and then you get invited to the house already. So that's the beauty of the Mambahaonons, really. That's the beauty. And then the children. You can see in the eyes of the child that there's really hope.
You'll be celebrating your 36th year to be you'll be the host for the Lanzones Festival.
We have always been the host because this is the capital town. Mambaho is the capital town of the province.
The Lanzones Festival, how does this festival go on?
The festival runs for a week. It's normally a week-long celebration. We have exhibits and everything. For this year, we have the usual street dancing, tableau, kalandrakas for the grade school, elementary, public school children. Anyway, the highlight is the Miss Buahanan. That's the Miss Tourism of Camiguin. And for the Lanzones, because of the abundance of Lanzones, everybody gets a share. The provincial government has an ordinance that says all vendors, all those who buy or who purchase Lanzones from Camiguin will have to get all the permits needed so that the municipios will be earning. We make sure that everybody will benefit.
Nice to hear that, ma'am. Mayor, thank you for allowing us to talk to you today. Thank you for the time.
You are very, very much welcome, and I'd like to invite you again to please keep on coming back.
Yes, we will. Thank you very much, madam.
The winner is always a part of the answer. The loser is always a part of the problem. The winner always has a problem. The loser always has an excuse. The winner says, "Let me do it for you." The loser says, "It's not my job." The winner sees an answer for every problem. The loser always sees a problem for every answer. The winner says, "It might be difficult, but it is possible." The loser says, "It might be possible, but it is difficult." The winner listens. The loser waits until it is his turn to talk. When the winner makes a mistake, he says, "I was wrong." When the loser makes a mistake, he says, "It's not my fault." The winner says, "I am good, but not as good as I could be." The loser says, "I'm not as bad as other people." The winner feels more responsible for more than his job. The loser says, "I only work there." Are you a winner?
The Filipino culture values closely knit family ties. But it has come to a point where more than 50% of Filipino parents rely too much on their children and other relatives to support them in their old age. To create a paradigm shift in the minds of Filipinos, Kaiser International Health Group has come up with a product that answers the need for financial independence of people faced with feelings of helplessness during their retirement years when they most need medical attention and support. While most HMOs cater to group and individual accounts, Kaiser addresses the long-term healthcare needs of individuals. This is how it works. Kaiser provides a second layer of HMO coverage that gives members the option to use it or not. If a member decides not to use his coverage, In the long run, he will be rewarded for staying healthy and he will be well on his way to a more secure and comfortable elderly life. It's pretty simple. No worries. Kaiser International Health Group has you covered. Kaiser International Health Group, doing its share to move the Philippines into economic recovery and independence. For inquiries, call these numbers.
To become ultra successful, you have to be aligned with something bigger than yourself. The International Marketing Group offers a proven, duplicatable business format system. Our vision is to lead the investment revolution. Our mission is to create wealth for families. There are two ways to accomplish our mission. First, take advantage of our opportunity and build a business of your own. And second, use our financial concepts and products. For the right person, IMG is the greatest opportunity in the world.
The Lanzones Festival is held every October, a month that coincides with the harvest of the succulent fruit Camiguin is known for. It is basically a Thanksgiving ritual for a bountiful harvest of the island's prime produce. Heralded by parades of colorful costumes and street dancing, the festival draws tourists from all over, as Camiguin is known to grow the best and sweetest lanzones in the Philippines. The island is ideal for the cultivation of lanzones, coconut, cassava, banana, kamote, palay, corn, mangoes, coffee, and vegetables. Its volcanic soil has proven to be such a fertile ground for planting that many homes in Camiguin have been used to growing various crops even in backyards. It wasn't long before I found myself in a backyard as we chanced upon a harvest by the road.
Unsa man kang mga buwana mosaka sa lanzones aron mamuko? buwan sa September. Payan October.
Saan mo mo kayo ba kung okay na nung lansones pupuon?
Kan na tampis na.
Tilawan sa nimo, sa din mo pupuon pa. Baliun sa may imong tilawan, ang bunga sa usa ka kahoy ra o magsige kag tilaw sa kada pupo.
Depende kay ang bunga sa lansones kung hilaw pa green man na, puti man ang ugwan kung hinog na.
Kani ingan ana hinog na siya kay puti. Unsa man gyud tinuoray nga ilhanan nga mambahaw na siya nga lansones, dili na siya sinagulan og laing lansones.
Regular man dili kitag kuang lansones.
Unsa may kinadak-an nga size sa mambahaw nga kuan?
Inani.
Mao na siya. Mas dako pa ana dili na mambahaw.
Adi na. Nawilnon mo si Mang Kimao nga. Natural mo sa mga kalsa. Kani dili mga yuta na ngayipan. Naay pang abono.
Unsa may mga tip nimo aron dili dali madaot ang lansones? Sa may buhaton.
Di na mabasa.
Di din na hugasan
Di.
ang lansones inig palit.
Di na maayo.
Maunsa man siya malata?
Lagom.
Mulagom. Api lang iyang susod mulagom pod. Di sad pwede ibutang sa ref para dili malata.
Pwede.
Pwede ra?
Pwede naman.
Pwede ra. Ang paghugas ra may dili pwede. So kanang ingon ana, diretso na siya i-impake na dadto na dayon sa merkado. Paligya na siya.
Pwede na.
Dili gyapon to pero hindi sa iyang yutang na
Unsa may makaingon nga modaghan ang bunga sa lansones, unsa po'y makaingon nga muminos?
makita man nato sa iyang kuan, iyang tubo, iyang cells, iyang kuan bitaw pagbunga niya gagmay pa man na siya. So makita nimo ang iyang punuan kung muguwa ba man sa dili.
Dili mo mabutang og mga fertilizer.
Dili, natural lang gid siya.
Wala lang gituig nga maayo ang ani na sa tuig.
Na sa tuig nga wala sa bunga. Oo.
Unsa man tungod kay init kayo, dili kay
Naay uban nga murag ang lansones manggod mo kuan siya mumunga siya ani karon sunod tuig dili mahalangan siya ba mura bitaw sa maplusan na nga na siya kay natural manggod siya. Siguro yuta siguro niya dili kay siya ga wala kulang pa siya no kuan ba natural niya nga kuan.
Unsa may imong tip para og mupalit og lansones sigurado gyud ang tao nga kamigin kay daghan man kay mamaligya butangan og suwat kamigin ning tilaw dili di ayon sa may ilhanan.
Iban magdala og tatak kamigin pero dili magtilawan ginila unsa ka kuan kayo kami taga kamigin may baloan na mo ang lansones nga dili taga kamigin.
Tan-awon ra ninyo makaila mo.
Makaila mi kay ang kani nga lansones na mo ngani gagmay siya dili kay dagko sa tabok sa outside sa kamigin dagko siya kapariha siya sa mo nay gagmay nay dagko na poy dili pareha.
Tip number 1, mas maayo gyud mo palit og lansones nga pungpong pa kay makakita ka og unsay mga sizes niya.
So matilawan sa dimo unsa pud kalami ang lansones sa kamigin lahi ra gid sa uban nga area. So ang lansones sa kamigin pure gid siya. Pure gid siya nga tamis.
Juicy.
Juicy. Sa uban nga mga kuan lahi man siya kay pagtilaw nimo medyo maaslog, tamis-tamis. Yan.
Kanang giingon nga inigpaak sa liso, pait kaayo mo nay kamigin. Sakto na siya ng observation.
Tama.
Based on Camiguin provincial records, about 810 metric tons of lanzones were sold to Metro Manila, Cebu, Cagayan de Oro, and other nearby cities and provinces last year. Because of increasing demand for the fruit, Camiguin is looking into an agricultural program that would increase the cultivation of lanzones through macrosomatic cloning, a process that will cut off the production period of lanzones planting materials to only 4 months instead of the traditional propagation period of more than a year. By then, my favorite fruit will sell cheaper than the 25 pesos a kilo I spent buying it straight from this backyard in Mambahaw.
just need medical attention and support. While most HMOs cater to group and individual accounts, Kaiser addresses the long-term healthcare needs of individuals. This is how it works. Kaiser provides a second layer of HMO coverage that gives members the option to use it or not. If a member decides not to use his coverage, in the long run, he will be rewarded for staying healthy and he will be well on his way to a more secure and comfortable elderly life. It's pretty simple. No worries. Kaiser International Health Group has you covered. Kaiser International Health Group, doing its share to move the Philippines into economic recovery and independence. For inquiries, call these numbers.
Meet the Optics Task Force. Our engineers will stop at nothing to prove that Transition's extra active lenses protect from more types of light, like the brightest sun. In harsh artificial light, even while behind the windshield of a car. Extra protection from light wherever you are. Outdoors, indoors, and in the car.
Is composed of 5 towns: Mambahaw, Mahinog, Ginsiliban, Sagay, and Katarman, all with natural attractions that keep visitors coming. With forests, rivers, mountains, and dive sites worthy of exploring all around Camiguin, the province is a theme park for nature lovers.
Stories of volcanic eruptions lend an air of mystery to the island's natural beauty. Nature's fury, now part of Camigin's incredibly rich history and culture.
On our way back to our resort, we saw a group of farmers pulling horses after working in the fields and got a taste of the local culture of industry and hard work. Along the way, we also chanced upon this house by the road and saw proof of the Camiginons' deep religiosity. Religiosity, industry, and hard work against a landscape of lush greenery. Indeed, Camiguin is a very colorful place.
In the Philippines, there are 7,107 islands. Camiguin Island stands out. I'm Rosemary Halganza Borromeo.
This is Bart Borja.
Join us again next time on My Destination.
Migilap ang mga balat.